Children, grade 4, block 7 and S3, topic is photosynthesis. Open page number 48 and just you read after me. Photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis goes on the entire day. Let's read about it. Leaves have chlorophyll in them. Water is taken up through the roots. Carbon dioxide is taken in through the leaves. Chlorophyll traps the sunlight to start the process of photosynthesis. Water and carbon dioxide are changed into glucose and oxygen. In this process, glucose is the main product of photosynthesis. It is a simple form of sugar. It is distributed to the rest of the plant as food. Oxygen is given out in the air. The process of photosynthesis takes place mainly in the leaves. That is why leaves are also known as the kitchen of plants. Okay, just you observe the diagram. Okay, so just you see the diagram, draw in your classwork book on the left side of the plain page as it is, label the parts, color the diagram. Now here about the process of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? So what here I'm going to explain you about this one now. What are the things that plants need to make food over here? So here the plant need water, air and sunlight to make the food. Okay, so how do plants make food with the help of air, water and sunlight? So the process by which the plant make food, how it is going to make the process, I am going to tell you. So here the process by which the plant make food with the help of water, air and sunlight and with the chlorophyll also is known as photosynthesis. Okay, the things needed for photosynthesis, again I am telling you: sunlight, chlorophyll, sunlight, air, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so in this process the things formed during photosynthesis. So when the what things are formed during photosynthesis? Oxygen and glucose is formed during photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process through which plants make their own food, right? So what do plants need for photosynthesis? Just now I said plants need chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so carbon dioxide chemical equation is CO2 and water chemical equation H2O. Sorry. Okay, now here, now what is formed during photosynthesis? Okay, so glucose and oxygen is formed during photosynthesis. What is chlorophyll? In previous lesson I said, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green substance or a pigment, right, found in the leaves. This makes the leaves look green. Okay, so which air the air is going to take? Air is a mixture of gases, right? So only carbon dioxide from air the plant will take to make the food. Now we are going to listen the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so now just you hear, photosynthesis takes place during the daytime, not in the night time. Okay, so why? Because sunlight is appear only in the daytime. So when photosynthesis during this time, the chlorophyll here, the green substance of the leaf, it traps the light energy from the sun. Okay, the chlorophyll traps the light energy from the sun. Then the air, carbon dioxide, enters the leaf through stomata and fill the air spaces between the cells. Okay, so now carbon dioxide is taken from the air. Okay, so water is absorbed from the soil by the root of hairs and reaches the leaves through the stem. Okay, so carbon dioxide and water, when you see the carbon dioxide and the water combines, it forms a simple sugar and oxygen. So the sugar is stored in the parts of the plant, and the sugar is stored as food, and this oxygen is given out through stomata. Okay, right? So here oxygen and water vapor exit the plant from the leaf. Okay, so now here the food prepared by plants is glucose. So a kind of simple sugar. Sugars are of many kinds, right? Glucose is changed into complex sugar called starch. So glucose is sweet but starch not, right? So all sweet fruits contains glucose, but here when your sweet fruits contains simple sugars. Okay, now maize, rice, wheat contain starch. Okay. So now this is the process of photosynthesis. Now what you do, open your workbooks, children. Just open your workbooks and see here, page number 41. Just observe the diagram over here. Label the picture to show what plants need for photosynthesis. What plants need for photosynthesis? Here you have to write sunlight, and here you have to write carbon dioxide, and in the brackets you write the chemical equation H2O, and it needs water, H2O you have to write, and the process also for second one, explain process photosynthesis. So you write the answer from the process to the oxygen is given out in the air, till there you have to write over here. So a plant is kept in the darkness, question number 3, a plant is kept in darkness for 6 days, how will it affect the plant? Oh, logical question, isn't it? So here the answer goes, what you will write over here, if the plant is kept in the darkness, it will not live for long because it needs sunlight to make the food, isn't it? So it will not grow because no sunlight and water. Without this, preparation of plant can't be done, right? So now we will go with question answers. Turn to page number 50, okay? Page number 50. Question number 6. What does photosynthesis mean? Okay. So, question number 6. What does photosynthesis mean? You have to complete the answer from here to here. Photo means light. Synthesis means put together till write one point. Then go to page number 43 and write about the process from here to here and complete this diagram very neatly. Okay, children? Thank you.